In a similar way, we are divine beings who have incarnated into this upside down world that is asleep and dreaming. Everybody's asleep and dreaming that we're separate from source, we're separate from each other, we're separate from our good. It's as if we've been dropped into a tall maze in the middle of the night with no map. This is a foreign land for our soul. It's natural that we run into walls and we stumble and fall and we go in the wrong direction and we hit dead ends. It's natural. But there's a ladder. There's a ladder, and that ladder is our inner divine guidance. And we can hear that inner divine guidance when we stop looking outside of ourselves, when we stop judging ourselves as being unworthy, when we stop noticing what's missing. And we can activate that divine guidance system within us when we reconnect with the highest divine self that we are. That highest divine self that is shining brilliantly from the depths of our being. And we cultivate that connection by loving every part of our journey thus far. Every part of our journey. And remembering that we have done absolutely the best we could possibly do with the consciousness we had at the time. You could never do anything different. We all do the best we possibly can with the consciousness that we have at the time. And when we realize this, when we realize that our journey has been absolutely the perfect journey for us, that has shaped our unique character, that has shaped our unique voice, that gives us a unique way that we can share our light with the world. When we realize that, everything changes. Light illumines our path. We can see clearly. We can see from the highest possible perspective. And we can see our way out of the maze. We can see the exit. And that light draws us towards our freedom, towards our joy, towards the realization of our full divine potential. So embrace your perfectly imperfect self, right? You are a magnificent being. And you're realizing it more and more every day. Love every step of the journey. It's all important. It all goes to add up to who we are and the gifts that we have to bring. And remember, in The Lion King, Mufasa, what did he say? Remember who you are. Let's keep that at the forefront of our consciousness. Embrace yourself today. Love yourself today. Forgive yourself today. Embrace it all. Okay? Promise? Okay. Yes. Namaste.